Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Anbernic RG35XX stuck on loading screen, full boot and firmware repair tutorial. Fix 1 is force restart the console. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the console turns off, then wait about 10 seconds. Press the power button again to turn it back on. If your model has a reset button, press it once while the console is powered on or stuck on the logo screen. Second one is charger the battery. Connect the console to a 5V 2A USB charger, then leave it charging for 15 to 30 minutes. Make sure the charging cable is firmly connected. Try turning the console on again. Third one is reset the microSD card. Turn off the console, remove the microSD card, then check for dirt or damage on the card. Insert the card firmly until it clicks into place. Turn the console back on. Fourth one is test the microSD card on a computer. Insert the microSD card into a computer using a card reader, then check whether the computer can read the card. If Windows report error, repair the card if possible. If the card cannot be read or frequently disconnect, replace it with a quality card such as SanDisk or Samsung. Thanks for watching.